Hello and welcome to today's session. In today's session, I will show you how you can do correlation test using MS Excel. To start, I will show you some steps. This is my desktop. Here I saved SPSS data. I will open this SPSS data first to see the correlation test. I will click. This is my SPSS data. From there, I will perform correlation test first. So I will take two variables, that is age and income. So I want to see that either they are correlated with each other or not. Or I can say that if age will increase, income will also increase. This is one hypothesis. And to see that, first I will do correlation test in SPSS. So here I will go to analyze. I will go to correlate. I will select vibrate correlation. And here I will select age of the respondent. Then I will select income of the respondent. I will prefer Pearson correlation test and two-tailed test. So and flag significant correlation. So here I am not using paste option. I'll go with OK. Okay. It's taking a bit time. No issue. Yes, it is processing. Now I got the correlation table, Pearson correlation. So this is age of the respondent and income of the respondent, and 0.763 the value came out. Income of the respondent and age of the respondent, Pearson correlation value is 0.763. Here I can say that our data is positively correlated with each other. That means age and income is having certain correlation, certain association. Okay, so the same result will appear in MS Excel. I will show you how. So I will open folder where I kept SPSS data. I'll open this. In my last video, I showed you how you can convert your SPSS data into Excel. So this is the data. I will open now. So this is the data, and I intentionally kept serial number, age and income. So here you can see 30 respondents data, respondent 30, and their age and income. So to do this test, first you need to go to data, and in data you can see data analysis. But by any chance, if you do not have data analysis, then you need to install it. How you will install? You will go to file, you open file option, and in file option you go to options, and in options you click add-ins, and in add-in analyze tool pack you click, then or if you have here this analysis tool pack, you can click here, then put OK. In this way you can add. So I'll click cancel over here now. Okay, then what you need to do, you need to go to data, then data analysis tool pack you need to open. You open it. So here you will see all the tests. So my interest to do correlation test. So I'll select correlation, then I'll click OK. When I clicked OK, input range, they are asking for input range. So age, and select age, then shift right arrow income, then control shift down arrow, all selected. Then I will mark labels in first row, marked. I will click OK. So you can see the data. Here you just copy this, Control C, Control V, paste, and you can keep up to 3 digits. Point after point you can keep 3 digits. So for that you go to home, then you minimize it. Okay, here also you can do the same thing. 0.763, 0.763. So 0.763. Now I'll see that either my data is correct or not in SPSS. So in SPSS also 0.763, 0.763. That means data appears same. So it is significant. This data is significant, positively correlated. Here I want to tell you something which is very important. You always remember +1 equal to positive correlation, -1 equal to negative correlation, 0 equal to no correlation. In Excel you need to remember one more thing, that if your value is 0.5 and more, means data is strongly correlated. If your value is 0.3 to within 0.5, then moderately correlated. Positive correlation is there, but it is moderate, you can say. If it is less than 0.3, then data is positively correlated but weak relationship. Relationship is small. Our data is 0.763. Recheck again. 0.763, which means it is more than 0.5, because here it is showing 0.7, so it is more than 0.5. That means data is strongly correlated. So in this way you can do correlation test using MS Excel. Thank you for watching.